how do you define metaphysics? You know? How do you define metaphysics? Metaphysics. Right. Metaphysics. How do you define metaphysics in the strictest? How to articulate? Metaphysics postulates that is a philosophy that so metaphysics is a philosophical ideology that study the fundamental nature of reality. Right? It examines the relationship between mind and matter, substance and attribute. So you have mind, you have matter. Both terms can be used interchangeably, and then you have substance and attribute. And metaphysics now places an emphasis on the relationship, the correlation